Welcome to my channel. We're doing we have a first here. You know how Amazon has those mystery palettes for like $40 and you don't know what's in the box? They call it a palette. It's not really a palette. It is actually just some sort of box.
3.5 pound box.
3.5 pound box.
I think this came from a third party.
Third party. Do you want to be in it?
I don't care.
Okay. All right. So Micah ordered one of these.
Just out of curiosity.
Third party mystery Amazon pallets. I keep calling it. It's a 3.5 pound mini pallet. So she's going to open it. We're going to do an unboxing here.
It's supposed to be electronics. At least that's what they said when I was ordering it. It was an electronics box.
Aha. So here we go.
Okay, so I'm just gonna...
We have no idea what is in this box.
Whatever's in this plastic bag, you mean?
Yes. Assuming there's a box inside the bag. Sometimes it's good if cats help.
Yeah. Oh, this is surprise only.
Oh, wait, show the camera.
Surprise only.
Surprise only.
Oh,
What does that mean?
I don't know. Sealed by inspection department.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Well, this is kind of fun, actually.
Yeah.
It's a... Oh,
What could it be? What do you think it is before you
I
open
have
it?
no idea. I was hoping it was a box of iPhones so I can pass them out to all the Android people.
That would be fun.
Oh, wow. A massage gun.
Massage gun. Those are really good, actually. I have one. All right.
Well, that's what I got. That's not what I was expecting.
Recovery massage gun, max grip.
All right.
Those are good, actually. My chiropractor uses one. Both of them do, actually. Those are good.
Well,
All right.
that is what came out of the box.
So I guess what we could do is Google the item and see what its value is.
There we go. What is it called?
It is a, let's see, Warm Relax. Let's see, Warm Relax Recovery Massage Gun, max grip. And it's got all the attachments. Interchangeable massage heads.
80 bucks.
80 bucks, really. Boom.
There you go.
Nice.
And an $80 gift for somebody.
Any of you out there
Well, I
receive a massage gun from Micah as a gift? Now you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
All right. Oops. Thank you for watching. We may do more of these. Thanks for coming to my
Do this
channel.
again, definitely.
Bye-bye. Happy holidays. Happy New Year.